Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So you're looking at page 38 of Standard of Excellence Book 1. This is Rockin Rondeau. We're going to take this at a tempo of 76, so that'll be 76 beats per minute. And here we go. 2, 3. All right, and this is the Allegro section at 30. I'm going to take this at 100. 1, 2, Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.